Manufacturing Maestros has grown into a powerful movement, celebrating the leaders, strengthening India's manufacturing ecosystem. With a legacy of advancing surface solutions and manufacturing technologies globally, Oerlikon joins Season 2 as a proud partner, empowering the Indian industry through precision, productivity, and technology-led growth.
I am very happy to partner with machine makers at the Manufacturing Maestro Season 2. They successfully completed the Season 1 and moving ahead for the Season 2. We are excited to invite you at the Season 2 of Manufacturing Maestros at the Bangalore. Please join us.